Welcome. Today we explore how most people quietly build wealth over time. It's not about dramatic wins or sudden fortune. Instead, it's about steady, repeatable actions that may seem boring but are proven to work. In this video, we'll break down the calm, consistent approach that leads to lasting financial success. Let's begin by understanding why the most effective wealth-building strategies are often the least exciting, and why that's a good thing. When it comes to building wealth, consistency matters far more than intensity. Many people believe that a single bold move or a lucky break is the secret. In reality, it's the small repeated actions, saving regularly, investing steadily, and sticking to a plan that make the biggest difference. These habits may not be exciting, but over time their impact is profound. Let's see why consistency is the foundation of financial growth. Time is one of the most powerful tools in wealth building. When you allow your investments and savings to grow over years, you benefit from compounding. This means your money earns returns and those returns earn more returns. The process is slow at first, but as time passes, the results accelerate. Patience is essential. The longer you stay invested, the greater your potential for growth. Compounding is the quiet engine behind wealth accumulation. Imagine earning a return on your savings and then earning a return on those returns year after year. This snowball effect is subtle but powerful. It rewards those who start early and stay the course. The key is to let your money work for you over time without unnecessary interruptions or withdrawals. Patience is often overlooked in the pursuit of wealth. Quick wins are rare, and chasing them can lead to mistakes. Instead, those who patiently follow a plan, even when progress feels slow, are rewarded in the long run. The ability to wait, to stay invested, and to avoid reacting to every market movement is a hallmark of successful wealth builders. Complex strategies may sound impressive, but simple systems are often more effective. Automating savings, investing in broad markets, and following clear rules reduces the chance of costly errors. Simplicity brings clarity, making it easier to stay on track and avoid emotional decisions. The most successful approaches are usually the easiest to maintain. Every decision is a chance to make a mistake. By setting up systems that require fewer choices, you minimize the risk of acting on impulse or emotion. This is why many wealth builders automate their savings and investments. With fewer decisions to make, there's less room for error and more room for steady progress. Owning assets such as shares, businesses, or property can be a powerful way to build wealth. Ownership allows you to benefit from growth and income over time. The key is to focus on assets that have the potential to increase in value and to hold them for the long term. This approach is often less exciting than trading or speculation, but it is far more reliable. Short-term gains can be tempting, but they rarely lead to lasting wealth. Long-term thinking means looking beyond immediate results and focusing on what will matter in years to come. This mindset helps you stay calm during market ups and downs and keeps you committed to your plan. The most successful wealth builders are those who think in decades, not days. Financial news and trends can be distracting. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the latest opportunity or the fear of missing out. However, the boring way to build wealth is to ignore the noise and stick to your plan. By focusing on your own goals and avoiding distractions, you give yourself the best chance of long-term success. Habits shape your financial future. Small, positive actions like saving a portion of your income or reviewing your plan regularly add up over time. The key is to make these habits automatic so they require little effort or willpower. Over the years, these habits become the backbone of your wealth-building journey. Building wealth is not meant to be exciting. In fact, the most effective strategies are often repetitive and uneventful. Embracing this boredom is a sign of discipline and maturity. It means you're focused on what works rather than chasing excitement or novelty. Over time, this calm approach delivers results. Emotions can lead to poor financial choices. Fear and greed often drive people to buy high and sell low. The boring way to build wealth is to follow your plan, regardless of how you feel in the moment. By removing emotion from your decisions, you protect yourself from costly mistakes and stay on track for the long term. While consistency is key, it's also important to review your progress from time to time. This doesn't mean making frequent changes, but rather checking that your plan still aligns with your goals. If adjustments are needed, make them calmly and thoughtfully. The goal is to stay on course, not to chase every new idea. Wealth building is a learning process. Over the years, you'll gain experience and insight. The boring way encourages you to learn from your actions, refine your approach, and avoid repeating mistakes. This steady improvement, combined with patience and discipline, is what leads to lasting results. There will be times when progress feels slow or setbacks occur. The key is to stay the course. Trust in your plan, rely on your systems, and remember that wealth is built over years, not days. This steady approach is what separates successful wealth builders from those who give up too soon. Discipline is the quiet force behind every wealth-building journey. It's what keeps you saving, investing, and following your plan, even when it's not exciting. Discipline helps you avoid distractions, resist temptation, and focus on your long-term goals. Over time, it's this steady discipline that delivers results. One of the greatest advantages you have is time. By starting early and letting your investments grow, you allow time to do most of the work for you. This means you don't have to constantly search for the next big opportunity. Instead, you can rely on the power of compounding and patience to build wealth quietly and effectively. It's easy to believe that more complex strategies will lead to better results. In reality, overcomplicating your approach often leads to confusion and mistakes. The boring way is to keep things simple, clear, and manageable. This allows you to focus on what matters most: steady progress over time. Let's recap. Building wealth the boring way means being consistent, patient, and disciplined. It means using simple systems, making fewer decisions, and focusing on long-term ownership. By avoiding hype and distractions and letting time and compounding work for you, you give yourself the best chance of financial success. These principles may not be exciting, but they are proven and effective. In the end, wealth is built by those who play the long game. It's not about quick wins or dramatic moves, but about steady, repeatable actions over many years. If you value clear, long-term thinking like this, you may want to subscribe.